namaste, welcome to Greet Tarot. So how are you? I hope you're doing good. I hope you're having an amazing day today. So if you're new here, if you like my content, please support my channel, or if you have already supported me, thank you so very much for all the love and the support, guys. Means a lot to me. Thank you so very much. So in the description box I have my Instagram page link. If you want to follow me there, go ahead and give it a follow, and the text that I'll be using in this reading will also be listed in the description box. So today's pick a card reading topic is December prediction. So what will happen in the month of December 2021, that is going to be the topic for today. Remember, these are general readings, so take what resonates and leave the rest behind, guys. So I have 3 groups for you guys, 3 photos I have kept, so choose intuitively. So close your eyes, relax, connect with your intuition, and then select a photo that calls to you intuitively. Okay, so for group number 1, this is the photo. For group number 2, and for group number 3. So close your eyes, relax, and select a photo that calls to you intuitively. So if you need more time, pause the video, take your time, and the timestamps will be given in the description box. So I'm going to start with group number 1. Namaste, group number 1. If you have chosen this photo, let's see how your month will be, December 2021. So I feel like some of you are called to buy runes, or maybe you're planning to buy runes, so go for it. If you want to learn about runes, rune divination, if you're interested in it, go for it. Okay, yeah, maybe you're doubting yourself whether I'm capable of not, or if I'm wasting my money or something like that, something related to runes. So if your heart is feeling like I need to buy this, go for it. So maybe for some of you this is a time to gift yourself something. Maybe you don't do that, so it's like you're very strict on yourself, like, yeah, you have a very strict routine, something like that, very strict on yourself. Maybe it's okay to have that playfulness. Like with this child, I feel like you need to be more playful with life, very strict, very, yeah, you have a strict routine for some of you. Okay, you expect a lot from yourself. I feel like that she's so strict, right? Her face looks so rigid. She's not smiling, she's very rigid. I'm getting like that energy. So maybe in the month of December, loosen it up. Okay, do something childish, not to be childish, but do something like, if you can go to a place where there is snow, just play with snow, like enjoy life, look at the sunlight, breathe in, breathe out. So that's something you need to do, I feel like. Okay, so let's see. I even feel like if you have lost a child, I feel like that child is near you. That child is your guardian angel. That's a very specific message, and they're safe. They love you. That's the thing. Okay, that's also I'm getting. Okay, let's see. So the first card for you guys is feathers, restoration. Yeah, something is going to be restored in your life. And with this feathers, whenever you see a feather on the floor or anywhere, it's a message that your angels are near you. They are for you guys. They are protecting you. Okay, and with this restoration, I'm also getting something is restored in your life, like a major disappointment has happened in your life recently, or maybe it's a past disappointment that you're carrying with you right now also. So something is going to be restored in the month of December. That's what I'm getting here. Angels are definitely with you. They are protecting you. You need to trust. That's it. Okay, so I feel it can be something related to your work or relationship. You expected something from someone and they didn't do the way you wanted to do, and that's why you felt disappointment. Okay, so something, or maybe you expected, yeah, with this card I'm getting like you expected something from someone, or you expected something from yourself. Your expectations are too big for yourself. Okay, you expect you expect a lot from yourself, and it's good. Sometimes it's good, but it is putting a lot of pressure on you in a way. So maybe you need to loosen it up. Okay, maybe you need to get out of that box and find your own freedom, right? So with this box, like look at the image, the image is like there is a box and this bird is flying, so yeah, claiming your freedom, right? Expressing yourself, the things, expressing your heart desires in a way, expressing what your heart wants you to do. So maybe for some of you it's like you have, for some of you it's your own expectations, and for others it's like someone else expect you to do things a certain way, and because of it you're feeling very very controlled. So it's time to free yourself and do something that makes you happy. So it can be a job that is not making you happy, and for the sake of other people you're going, or for the sake of society, whatever it is, something you're doing that is not making you happy, and you need to free yourself from it. Okay, yeah, it's time to get out of the box and free. Okay, the box is open, it's not closed anymore. So go out, breathe freely. That's what I'm getting here. So definitely your claim, there is you're given a chance to do something that you want in the month of December. Okay, so don't let other people's expectations stop you from doing the things that you want to do in your life. Yeah, we have heart desires, right? So the angels are supporting, guiding and protecting you as your dreams become a reality. So you have certain dreams, so it's the time to do something that your heart tells you to do. So if you are like, there are two people, you want to choose between these two people. So one person is like, your family loves that person, they are very settled, they are stable, but your heart is not so happy when you're with that person. On the other hand, there is one other person who makes your heart beat, you feel so happy, you feel so loved. So it's like you need to free yourself from those expectations, and you need to listen to your heart desires and go with it. Okay, so that's the thing. Okay, yeah, it's all about heart. Maybe for some of you, your heart center is going to get balanced. It's imbalanced right now. You need to work on your heart center. Maybe because of past disappointments, it can be your passion, your expectations were not fulfilled, someone made you disappointed, so something regarding that. Okay, and now what angels are telling you to free yourself from those expectations and do something that your heart is telling you to do. Okay, so you need to focus on your heart center, definitely. Okay, you're in a heart center, so do heart center meditation. That will be very good for you guys. Okay, yeah, look, we're talking about heart and all, and we have fourth chakra, heart chakra, right? Archangel Raphael. Yes, definitely healing is happening. Your heart is restored. You're healing, your heart is healing. So someone has, or something has like broken your heart into two pieces. Finally that heart is healing you, that is restoring, your heart is restoring. Okay, your disappointments, you're not going to be so disappointed, okay, anymore. So you expected, you were disappointed, but finally you are realizing it's just not worth it to be yeah, it's not worth it, like something you're realizing, like it's not even my path, so why I am disappointed? I need to follow my heart. So you're being guided. Okay, spirit is guiding you, angels are guiding you, they are showing you the way. So right now you're feeling very confused with this confusion, like heart and mind, as I told you, between two people you want to choose. One makes you happy, one doesn't, but one has all that stability, outside is good, but it doesn't make you happy. So choose something that makes you happy instead of being in this confusing period. So like, you're in this box, now you're ready to you are here to free yourself from those things, right? So choose the things that make you happy. Okay, so for some of you, let go, like, don't like, take a walk in the nature. When you're feeling confused, when you want answers, what you need to do is to get out, let go of those things, go out in nature, like breathe in, breathe out, work on your heart center, sit under a tree, listen to music. There are so many ways. Okay, or talk to a friend who can guide you, right? But I feel like all you need to do is to listen to your heart. Your heart knows it. With this heart desires card, Archangel Raphael card, and the restoration card, I feel like angels are there, they are guiding you, but you're not listening to them. You're not listening to your heart. So that this is the time to listen to your heart. Okay, you know well, but you are like confused. because you're not trusting your intuition, you're not trusting your heart. Okay, like look, the despair energy is definitely there. Disappointment, expectations not been fulfilled, someone broke your expectations, or something is troubling you. Maybe you hoped for a thing to manifest for you guys, it didn't manifest. Now you're like, why this didn't manifest? Because it was not something that made you happy, that's why. Okay, so yeah, I feel like, for you guys, if there was a disappointment, you will be okay with it, you will heal that disappointment, and you're going to move forward and enjoy life. That's what I'm getting here in the month of December. Yeah, you need to express yourself. You're not expressing yourself, you're being in the box, you're doubting yourself. Okay, so something that needs to be expressed, your heart. Maybe you need to say your feelings to someone, and you're not saying it, you're feeling very confused, you're feeling despair instead of letting it out. So it's time to let it out, to speak your heart, right? To open up your heart. Okay, that's what it is. Or maybe the gifts that you have, the knowledge that you possess, it's time to get it out. With this teacher awakens, so definitely you have something important to share. Follow the inner call, don't let anything stop you. Look, again, inner call, you have been feeling it. So the work you're doing, it's not fulfilling you, it is making you disappointed or putting you in a despair. You're not getting the results that you want, because this is something that you do, you're okay with it, but it is not, but it doesn't make your heart happy in a way. I feel like that. So here spirit is telling you to open your heart and do something that you are being called to do. Okay, so it can be like teaching young kids, maybe it can be like you need to open up to your mother. Maybe you want to say something to your mother, go and say it. You're keeping it in your heart and you're confused about it, go speak, communicate, right? Or maybe you have a talent that you are not expressing it. Maybe you are artist, but you are so scared that you don't show your art to others, right? It's time to open up. Okay, open up your gifts, open up yourself, share your thoughts to someone. I feel like you want to share it, but you're not sharing it, and you're feeling this despair and confused energy. You're in that energy right now. So I feel like that is going to be restored, but you need to be a little bit brave and not so strict on yourself. You're so strict. Like, I feel like you criticize yourself a lot, that I'm not good enough, I'm not doing good enough, I cannot do it. If I do that, they will get hurt. Like, you criticize yourself. Maybe for some of you have this negative self-talk also that you need to let go of, right? You need to love yourself. So the main focus should be self-love with this heart center, right? So yeah, you need to love your own creativity. You need to love your own talents. So maybe you need to work on your self-image, right? I'm getting a book like Psycho-Cybernetics. Maybe that book will be good for you guys, right? Sometimes because of our self-image, we have that problem. So I feel like you need to build up that thing. Maybe that book will help you. If you felt called to read that book, go ahead. Okay. Yeah, again, we have, look your cards. We have 5 of Cups and 10 of Cups. So the disappointment that you have right now, it's not going to be there. It's just a temporary thing. So don't cry over the spilled milk. Okay, it's just gone. Accept it, move on. Just do what your heart guides you to do. So definitely with this disappointment, a major disappointment is going to be restored. Okay, that's what I'm getting here. And you will be feeling happy again. So if you are in this confused, despair, disappointed energy, that is going to be restored in the month of December. But you need to work for it, okay? Don't be so hard on yourself. You are so hard on you. You expect a lot from yourself. You are also a human being, understand that, okay? Go slowly. There's no rush. That's what I'm getting. Like, yeah. Like, a lot of hope is coming your way with the Star card, definitely. A lot of hope. I even feel like if you're gifted, if you have certain gifts, show it to the world, because people will love it. Maybe you judge yourself, you think that you're not capable, you feel like no one will love your work, right? You are becoming a barrier. And do the things that you want with your full heart. Don't do it half-heartedly. When you do it half-heartedly, it will manifest like that only, right? That is also important. But definitely lot of guidance you're getting, lot of angels are around you. But all you need to do is build up your self image, be confident in yourself, believe in yourself. You don't have to fulfill everyone's expectation. You cannot come up to everyone's expectations. Understand that there will be someone who will not be happy, right? There will be someone who will criticize. You cannot make everyone happy, and you are not here for everyone. Understand that. Okay. So yeah, forgiving and learning. As you release and heal the past, yes, definitely you are learning a lot of things. You're forgiving yourself, you're forgiving others. Yeah, there is restoration. Your heart, maybe for some of you in your love life also, you're forgiving people. Maybe they did something that you never expected. Now you're learning, you're forgiving them, you're forgiving yourself. And yes, there is definitely healing happening. And it's, if someone did something that you never expected, sometimes it's your expectation, right? They are also people, right? They can also make mistakes. Sometimes we expect a lot. Maybe it is from our kids that we expect a lot, and sometimes they do something that doesn't make us happy, but we learn, right? They are also people. They will also make mistakes, right? We understand that, and I feel like that is what you're going to understand, and you're going to heal, and you're understanding that you can also make mistakes. You don't have to be so strict. Forgive yourself, okay? Experience more love in your present moments. Yeah, definitely you need to be in the present. Don't think too much about your future. Just listen to your heart. Just go with it. Yes, make the effort. Great love is worth taking the steps you're guided to take. It's about listening to your heart more and more and more. That's what I'm getting. So maybe you're in a relationship where someone did something you expected from this person, you're disappointed. Maybe you're not talking to them, and your spirit is telling, just maybe you need to make that effort and listen to them at least. Maybe you're not even listening to them. And in life we learn, we forgive, right? So you need to make that effort. If they're telling you something, listen to it, okay? And for some of you, it's like you made a mistake, you need to make that effort, you need to say sorry, right? That's also, relationships, I feel like we cannot be perfect. There is no perfect relationship, I feel like. Every relationship has its ups and downs. It's our attitude, right? If we feel like that, no, this will not happen, if I'm not going to talk, if our ego creeps in, if we don't forgive, then we'll not be able to move forward, right? So yeah, with this retreat, it's time to disconnect from the world. It's time to take some time off with this person. If you're in a relationship, make that effort, take some time off. Maybe you're working, okay? Maybe you're putting too much expectations on yourself, you're working a lot, you're not spending time with this person. So maybe that's why they did something and you're very disappointed in them. So maybe you need to spend some quality time with them. Make that effort. Maybe it's your kids, maybe it's your family. So it's forgiving and learning. You're also learning, they're also learning, you're also forgiving, they're also forgiving. So it's time to make that effort, to let go of that ego, to spend some quality time with yourself, to have that heart-to-heart conversations, to open your heart, right? Here also, to open your heart. There is a communication gap also, I feel like, in your relationship, that you need to open up. So with this despair energy also, you're keeping it to yourself, you're not sharing it, you're not opening up. So it's important that you make the effort and let that ego go, okay? Then next one, yeah, assert yourself. Oh, go for what you want. Yeah, again, go for what you want, what your heart desires. It's not the time to listen to other people's expectation of you, right? You cannot fulfill others' expectations. All you can fulfill is your own, okay? But I feel like you expect a lot from yourself because of other people. In a way, I feel like that is the problem. Yeah, that's the thing. You expect a lot from yourself because you feel like that that you have to do this because others expect that from you, and in that thing what you do is like you don't listen to your heart, you don't do the things that you want to do, instead you do what others want you to do. Yeah, and that's why you're feeling confused, you're feeling lost, and so you need to listen to your heart. That's the thing. Go for what you want, the time is ripe, and ripe for soulmate connections. Okay, for some of you if you're single, definitely, as I told you, maybe you are dealing with two people, so you know who this person is, or maybe your friend also is coming your way for some of you. Yeah, birth of a child also likely, but definitely I feel like it's about listening to your heart, going with your heart, going with the flow. That's it. And building up your self-image. Yeah, definitely. Your affirmation is I let go of all expectations. Definitely, that is what you need to do. And this is okay. I'll flow freely and lovingly with life. I love myself. I know that only good awaits me at every turn. So that is your affirmation group number 1. I'll see you soon. Bye bye. Take care. Group number 2, if you have chosen this photo, let's see what your month looks like, what December 2021 looks like. Okay, so with this I feel like a lot of light, you're going to shine a lot of light in the month of December 2021. Your light is going to be very, very, like people will see you. If you're walking in a crowd, people are going to notice you. Group number 1, sorry, group number 2, maybe some messages will be there for you guys in group number 2, that's why I said that. But definitely I feel like there is a bag here, okay, and with this bag also your hopes, your dreams, your desires, keep on moving forward with that, because I see you're going to be recognized, you're going to be the star. That's what I'm getting. Like people, when there is like, you know, when we see decoration, if a home is decorated, like you're walking in a colony and there are a lot of homes and one home is decorated with lights and all, we will notice that home, isn't it? Like that I'm getting. That energy is yours. Like people are going to notice you, like your work is going to be recognized, noticed. There is progression. You had a lot of you had a lot of wishes that you have been listing out. Finally, one by one, that wishes are going to get manifest for you guys in the month of December. So I see a lot of you're feeling, you're very charming. Okay, people are noticing you. So if you're single, definitely people are noticing your charm. That's something I'm getting here. Okay, and I'm getting like sacral chakra. You need to focus on your sacral chakra. So that's something where you need your attention right now. Maybe that is a little bit imbalanced, so work on that. But you're finding your own power within yourself. Yeah, you're understanding the power is within you, and you're changing your routines, you're changing your behavior, the way you're feeling confident from inside, you're feeling courageous, you're feeling more brave. Okay, that's what I'm getting here in the month of December. A lot of transformation that is happening in you. So I feel like many of you are going to change a lot of routines in month of December, like getting more disciplined, changing something that you always wanted to change. So yeah, like I'm getting like when it's New Year, we write a list, right, to do the things. So what I'm seeing, like in the month of December, you're starting that. Okay, so yeah, that's what I'm getting here. Okay, so yeah, so let's see your cards. Okay, so the first card is sea creatures immersion. So it's it's in the month of December. Do the task that you want to do. Like if you have a goal in your mind, completely put your time and effort and energy to it. Don't waste your energy on something else. So that's what I'm getting with this. Like your light is going to be recognized. So if you are single, if you are wanting to be in a relationship, it's the time to seek for it. Like it should be a goal to go out, meet people, right? So that's the thing. I'm also getting like if you have a goal in your mind, like losing weight, so it's like you need to invest your time in it. Like your diet should be changed, you should exercise. So if you have a plan like that, go for it, immerse yourself in it. That's what spirit is telling. And when you do it, you will see that recognition, that growth. Like if you want to increase your followers in your social media page, it's like posting every day, right? So that's the thing, you're immersing yourself in that goal without losing hope, right? Just putting that time and effort into it, okay? Like doing, if your goal is to read a book, to complete a book, like to start that reading habit, it's so what you should do is like for at least 5 minutes a day you need to start reading that book. Like even though if you don't feel like reading, at least for 5 minutes read that book, right? So that's the thing, okay? So immersing yourself in that goal, and when you do that, of course you will get that success, that recognition, because you're working for it, isn't it? So that is the first thing. So it is about immersing yourself in what makes you happy also, right? So this is the thing that you want to do, like this is your dream. Like losing weight is your dream right now, it's something that you want to do right now, so go and do it. Or maybe for some of you, like you are ready for a relationship, your heart wants that, so go for it. Or maybe for some of you, dancing is your passion, your heart wants to make, your heart is telling you to make dancing videos, so immerse yourself in that, okay? So that is the thing. And when you put your heart into it, like when you're doing it with your heart, like you feel like it and you're doing it, it will give you a lot of happiness and success and abundance as well, right? So it's the time to put your focus on your dreams. What is your dream? What you want to be? What are your plans? Like as I told you, you have a bag full of wishes, so take one wish, work on it, put your energy into it, do it daily, and keep on moving forward. Then your light is going to grow, like light is going to glow stronger and stronger, like brighter and brighter. That's what I'm getting. So everything is working for you as it should be, okay? So go with the flow, guys, go with the flow. That's what is the message is. Then you have clairaudience, okay? So for some of you, it's a message that your spiritual gift is clairaudience. Maybe you will be maybe you will play a song in a radio, and you will feel it. Oh my God, is this a message for me? Yeah, that is a message for you. So maybe you will receive certain messages from other people. That is something I'm getting here in the month of December. Or maybe you are sitting in a restaurant and you have been thinking about something, like whether I will be able to do it, and someone is talking about that in the next table, right? So you, like that kind of things I'm getting, like you're receiving a lot of messages from spirit in the month of December. So if you want an idea, so yeah, like you don't know what to do, like if you are content creators, you don't know what to do next, what video you need to make next. So when you will ask, you will receive that messages. It's like what you give out, you're going to receive. If you ask questions like I want this answer, spirit will give it to you. So if you're working hard, you will see that growth. So yeah, so this month is like, I feel like it's not about relaxation. You have to relax, that's not I'm telling here, but it's time to put action, because this is the time where you will see the growth, okay? So because your light is going to shine, okay? And I feel like you are letting go of a lot of insecurities about yourself. Maybe you are not dating because you had certain insecurity, you felt like people will not like it. So I feel like you're dealing with your insecurities also. You are becoming more confident, okay? So maybe you're loving yourself, you're taking care of yourself, you are having a self-care routine, okay? So if you don't have, do it, okay? Yeah, so I'm getting like you're becoming more braver and more courageous, okay? You're doing the things that you never thought you would do, like sharing your feelings with someone you never thought that you will do, and you're doing it. So something daring also I feel like you're going to do. That's what I'm getting. So you have this goal, go for it. Spirit is like giving you the green lights right now, and don't disregard any information that comes to you via like music and all. So take it, okay? And I'm getting good news about something, maybe good news about your goal. Something regarding that also, with this clairaudience, with this ears, I'm getting good news. So, or maybe good news about your friends, about your family, and you will be very happy for them. Then the next card is body work. Okay, For some of you, I feel like with the sacral chakra, maybe you need to work on your sacral chakra. If it's possible, if you feel like you need to get a Reiki or something like that, go for it. Okay, in the month of December it will be very helpful. Okay, for others it's like if you are planning to get a tattoo, if you want to get a tattoo, just go for it. Okay, go for it. Don't be afraid of the pain. And also maybe for some of you, you're very afraid of the pain and all, and but you want to get it, so go and get it. Okay, be braver, like be courageous. It's the time to be courageous. Don't let that fear creep in and stop you from doing that thing. Okay, so go for it. That's something I'm getting here. And for others, as I told you, your goal might be to lose weight or to build muscles or something like that. Go for it. Okay, go for it. So there is like I feel like you people are going to guide a lot of people also, like in your friend group, you're the therapist. Like there is one wiser one, right? You're the wiser one who is going to guide a lot of friends. You're going to guide a lot of people. That's also I'm getting here. So you're understanding your own value in a way, I'm getting. So let's see. Yeah, the thinking woman. You are the woman with lot of knowledge in your group, or you are the man with a lot of knowledge in your group. Okay, so whenever someone has problem, they will come to you. That's what I'm getting. For some of you, it's like your education is your major priority. So your goal is to clear an exam. So with this emotion, that immerse yourself. Maybe your heart wants that. You want to pass that exam, right? Read, do that. Do every day. Even though one day you don't feel like reading, for you guys in the month of December, just do it for 10 minutes, at least 10 minutes. Okay, don't skip that. So that's the thing. And with this thinking woman, I'm getting, for some of you, you might overthink also something like about your goal. Some days will be like you will be overthinking about it. Instead of overthinking, do the work. That's what I'm getting from spirit. Because you are transforming so beautiful. And whenever you're doubting yourself, now look back. How far you have come. I'm sure group number 2 has come so far. You have. So keep on moving forward, okay? Yeah, angel of strength. So if you're feeling like you need to get a tattoo, or if you're worried about it, be more braver because you have the courage. You can deal with the pain. It's just small pain, right? So it's like, don't be scared of that thing. Or if you're very courageous. You're courageous than you think. Okay, you're the smartest and you're the bravest one. Group number 2. Yeah, and with this lion, you are understanding your own power in the month of December, that how powerful you are, how you affect other people, how your knowledge and wisdom is guiding other people. You are understanding yourself, you are valuing yourself, okay, and you are understanding that you matter. So a lot of insecurities, I feel like you have been doing the shadow work also. So you're understanding what is your dark side and you're dealing with those insecurities. So I feel like that truth is also going to be shown to you guys. Like what part you need to change, what habit of yours is not good, or some habits that stop us from our own growth. So you're understanding that, and I feel like you will be working towards it also in the month of December. So yeah, for some of you there is definitely journey. With this journey, travel. For some of you might be traveling for pleasure or for work in the month of December. Maybe a good news is regarding that. Maybe you will be able to travel with your friends and all, or maybe someone is coming to you to spend some quality time, so you will be happy, or maybe you're going to your home. So definitely there is journey, and with this journey, your work, your growth, you're moving forward, spiritual progress. So maybe if you're a content creator, or if you're working for a higher position, I feel like there is movement, there is progress. Okay, so with this journey, and life is a journey. Don't be in a hurry to reach the destination here. Okay, go slow, enjoy everything. Like when we travel, when we travel, just don't go if we go from one place to another, we just get tired. Instead of going from one place to another, just explore that one place, look at all the details and enjoy that place, and then go to the next one. So if you're traveling, do that, enjoy one place completely and then go to the next one. It shouldn't be like going from one destination to another, one destination to another. It should be enjoying that thing, right? So that's important for you guys. Again, we have journey too. Oh, of course, there is travel for you guys. Okay, thief. Okay, so while you're traveling, keep your bags and all secure. Okay, maybe with this thief, secure yourself, secure your bags and all. Or don't allow people to fool you if you're traveling abroad, and also be cautious about it, like double check before you're paying someone or something like that. So if you're traveling in the month of December, for some of you, maybe you have already planned to travel in the month of December. If that is the case, double check about things. Maybe someone will take more money from you or something like that is happening, so we don't want that. So it's just an advice. Okay. For others, it's like there is someone around you who is wasting your time. It's like, maybe it can be a mobile phone also, like you are starting to write something, like you want to focus on your writing. This is your goal, to write a book, just an example, or maybe write an article. And what happens is, you sit, you start writing, and then the mobile phone is the problem. You see a post and then it is a rabbit hole. You just scroll and scroll and scroll. So that is also the thing for some of you. So don't let that small distractions come your way. So what you want to do, focus on that only, okay, in the month of December, because this is a time where you can reap all your like the hard work you're giving out to the universe, you will get that in return. So that's why. So don't waste your time. Yeah, look, Archangel Michael definitely is with you, the angels. Maybe you're seeing a lot of birds, like this is a sign from angels that they are with you, they are near you, a lot of birds flying together. So I feel like birds, and it's also about freedom. So maybe you want financial freedom in your life. Maybe you want to travel solo, something like that. If it's your goal, definitely Archangel Michael is telling you to trust in your goals. Yeah, it's all about trusting in your goals, your dreams and desires, and hoping for the best possible outcome, and you will receive it. Okay, so that's the thing. Look, you're safe. Angels stand close. Maybe you're seeing number 222 a lot. 222, yeah, 222, and that means angels are near you. You are on the right path. You're going good. So don't let any insecurity, any fear creep in, okay, because this is a very beautiful journey that you're moving forward, and don't be in a hurry to reach the destination, okay. And yes, focused intention, as I said, with this immersion, be focused to your goals. What is your goal? Just all the focus should be there. It should, no more distraction, guys. Like, don't give your energy to the people who are taking your time away from your plans, your goals and dreams and desires. Like, they're discouraging you. If they are saying, what are you doing? You're just wasting time. Come out, play. No, don't go. Just do your work. Like, yeah, if you want to win, you have to do that work, right? So that's the thing. Codependency. Addictions are affecting your romantic life. Okay, for some of you, maybe your partner is taking a lot of time or energy from you. Maybe you have to do their work. So maybe it's time to tell them that I have this work, please do it yourself. For some of you, you need to stand up for yourself. And for others, it can be some sort of addictions. It can be social media addiction that is affecting your romantic life. You are all the time on the mobile phone, and that's why you're not communicating with your person. So that's also something in your romantic life, or yeah. So maybe you're not communicating. So it's important that you communicate properly. And I'm getting like a friend. Maybe for some of you, there is a friend who is very codependent on you, and because of it, you're not able to focus on your goals. So maybe you need to take a step back and tell that friend that don't call at that time because I'm working, right? You need to be, sometimes we feel like that, how I can say that, but I feel like maybe it's your friend who is taking your time, who is like, because of your friend, you're wasting a lot of time, or maybe you will be wasting a lot of time in the month of December. So be smart about it, okay? Don't waste your time. That's what I'm getting. So yeah, it's okay, if people are like calling you for guidance, and it's okay, you're giving them, you're helping them, that's good. But you need to have a boundary also, because it is affecting your work, right? So don't let that happen. Or maybe your partner, because if your partner like, you have to do their work also, so, and it's affecting your career or something, like your goals, if it's coming between, you need to take stand for yourself. Okay, so that's important here. Okay, so let's see what else. Oh, new love. So for some of you, it's like you're ending this relationship, a relationship that is very codependent. Okay, or maybe for some of you, I even feel like that you are finding a place for yourself. Maybe you stay with your parents, or you're dependent on someone for finances. Finally you are getting that freedom, like you're making your own money. Maybe your goal is to make more money so you can move out. That's also I'm getting. For others, it's like a new person is coming your way. As I told you, if you're single, there is definitely a lot of chances for you guys, a lot of opportunities in regards to love life. Okay, so that's definitely there. Okay, so and with this codependency, what I'm getting is like you're letting go of a lot of insecurities that you hold right now in your life in the month of December. Like maybe you have certain insecurities, certain addictions that you need to let go of before you enter into a new love life. Okay, that's also important. Yeah, don't take that insecurities in this new relationship. Okay, so for some others, I feel like you will be focused on your goals, dreams and desires. Keep on moving with that. Okay, your goals are going to be your priority, I feel like, and definitely travel also is there. And yeah, in your journey, for some of you, it's like you're moving forward with your goals, dreams. Again, we have the Six of Swords energy. Definitely look, again, travel vibes, moving to a better place, moving to a better home. For some of you with this Ace of Cups, moving to a better home, work situation, becoming a better person, strengthening your character, believing in yourself more and more and more, not becoming confused. I'm feeling like you're not going to be very indecisive. You will be very decisive on what you want to do. You will wake up, I feel like you're changing a lot of routine, lot of habit, lot of addictive habits that you have. You're changing that. Like maybe you eat a lot of foods that are addictive. Maybe you don't eat. So there is a lot of change in your behavior also, routine also. That's what I'm getting. You're understanding what you need to change. You're very clear with it. You're not blindfolded anymore. Okay, so that's the thing. You're just focusing on your goals and moving forward to it. So in this, I feel like your goals, the goals that you have, you're moving forward with it as well. These goals will make you change your behaviors that are not good for you in a way. That's what I'm feeling. So new emotions, taking care of yourself, self-love, your mental health will be your priority in the month of December. Not wasting your time on codependent people, or you're not going to be wasting other people's time as well, I feel like. Okay, I feel like in the month of December you will be valuing time a lot. You will be scheduling, or maybe it's advice to schedule things and move forward with your goals. Okay, I feel like your intuition is very, very, very loud and clear in the month of December. So go for it. Sometimes we don't trust it. That's the problem. So trust it. Okay. You know what you want right now. With this, you have a goal in your mind. So go for it. That's it. Look, again, we have Ace of Water. Yeah, King of Water. So definitely there is a person around you who might help you. Maybe, okay, for some of you, it's like you're very dependent on your spouse or your partner, and they will help you with that thing, with that codependency. They will help you to find your own freedom. That's what I'm getting here. Okay, so in your goals, if you want help, you can ask from this person, because this person will help you. Okay, or maybe a friend is there who will help you, or maybe a person like a father figure is there around you who will help you in the month of December. So definitely there is help. Okay, self-love should be a priority for you guys in the month of December with these two aces. But definitely new growth. For some of you, new home, starting a new business, that's also possible. New career is possible, like getting a new job, working on that job, new love, right? So focusing on it. So yeah, but in the month of December, you will be feeling very good about yourself. Mental health will be good. Your mental health is good. You're not stressing too much. Okay, so let's see manifestations. Wow. A bountiful time awaits you. Your wishes could manifest right before your eyes. And I told you this is a bag of wishes that you have kept. So yeah, slowly but surely everything is manifesting. So just give your 100% to your goals, and you will you will get it back. That's the thing. Your manifestations are happening. Okay, finally. So no worries, no stress. Let go of that fear. Be courageous. Don't drink too much. Don't be codependent to anything outside of you, like alcohol or anything that is. So you can have everything in moderation. So don't be dependent on someone or something. So let go of that. That's important. Wow, we have opportunities. So love opportunities, definitely. New work opportunities, growth, new home. A stranger is about to change your life. Yeah, so definitely for some of you, as I told you, there is a love. Maybe this person can be a water sign as well as earth sign, I'm getting. Okay, yeah, air sign, Libra energy. Libra energy is also there. So yeah, a stranger is about to change your life. For some of you, this can be work related, where this person will help you. So with this King of Cups, it can be your spouse who is giving you an idea, and because of it things are changing. Or it can be your boss who is giving you an idea, or it can be a stranger who will give you an opportunity, right? Or it can be a love opportunity. So definitely there is an opportunity. So you're manifesting this thing. So what you're manifesting, that is coming. Okay, so exciting times and plenty of action. Yeah, action, progression, right? Movement, plus a special family reunion looks likely. So definitely meeting up with friends. So yeah, that's also there, right? So what is your affirmation? Wow, I love life. Yeah, that is your affirmation. You're loving life. You're letting go of that stress. You're loving every moment of your life. So it's important to be in the present. Okay, so for group number 2, be in the present moment. Enjoy every bit of your life. When you're watering the plants, enjoy that. When you're working on your goal, enjoy that. When you're spending time with your family, enjoy that. When you're spending time with your spouse, enjoy that. Okay, when you're dressing up and going out, enjoy that. Be confident. Okay, when you're getting a tattoo, if you're going to get a tattoo, enjoy it. Don't be fearful of the pain. Okay, so yeah, that's the thing. So for some of you, there is someone who is fearful. Maybe you want a piercing or something like that, something related to body work, something that you want to do. There is a lot of fear. Let go of that. Okay, it is my birthright to live fully and freely. I give to life exactly what I want life to give to me. Yeah, I told you, what you give, that is what you're going to get back. And that's your affirmation also. I'm glad to be alive. I love life. So have a gratitude journal also. If you don't have already, have a gratitude journal. Write your gratitude to your divine, to your family, friends. Write it down every day, right? Because that is such a good energy. Okay, so that is also an advice for you guys. So that's all. Group number 2, bye bye, take care. Group number 3, if you have chosen this card, let's see what is your message. Okay, so I feel, look, this woman is pregnant, and when we are pregnant, it's a time of nurturing, relaxation. Okay, it's time to nurture yourself. It's time to like, I'm getting, it's for you guys, it's time to be like, you have been in this divine masculine energy for so long, like working. Now in the December month, it's time to take a step back. It's time to relax. It's time to heal your body, like take some time off. So if you can go for a massage, go for it. Like, yeah, it's the time for relaxation, like going out in nature, spending some quality time there. So yeah, it's the time of break. If you can travel, go for it. If you don't want to go to travel, like just take a few days off if it's possible for the month of December. That will be very, very good for you guys. If you're pregnant, take your time off, rest. So I feel like you need to rest more. So it's like, for you guys in the month of December, it's like she rests to create. That's what I'm getting. Like, while you're resting, you're creating. Like this pregnant woman, like when she's resting, when she's relaxing, she's nurturing, she's eating healthy food. The child, like the womb, like the embryo is growing, right? And it's becoming a child. Yeah, that's what I'm getting here. So it's time to nurture yourself. It's time to take care of your body. So for the December month, don't do a lot of work. I feel like that if you have it's time to take a break. That's it. Your body needs that break. And don't be afraid that if you take this break, then things will not might go. Like, this is the time to rest. That's what is for you guys. This is the time to make a connection with nature, to relax, okay, to step back from that fast paced world, okay, to take a few days break. Or if you have a few days break, go out, sit in nature, connect with tree, right? And when you connect with the tree, when you sit down, your intuition is going to be so loud and clear, okay? You will get the idea. So it's the time to not work on ideas. It's the time like you will be receiving a lot of ideas, and later you can work on them. So when we relax, when we rejuvenate, that is when we will have the energy. You're recharging. So this is the period of recharging, rejuvenating, healing, okay? So maybe you're healing from a relationship. It's like it's the time of healing where you're resting. Rest. Go sit under a tree if it's possible. Connect with nature. This is what you need to do. Nature will heal you. That's also I'm getting. So if it's possible, if you can go hiking, if you can go to a place where there is a lot of plants, trees, go, because it's going to give you such a good energy, okay? And yes, that's the thing. And we have the owl also. So yeah, you're very protected also. I feel like your ancestors are protected. So you don't need to worry about taking a break or something like that. Things are okay. You know, there is a time for doing the things, right? This is not the time for you to work hard. This is the time to sit back. That's what I'm getting. Yeah, this is the time to link with spirit. Yeah, to do that meditation exercises, to call upon spirit, because you will get answers. This is the time to do that, right? Yeah, this is the time of that divine feminine energy. It's time to relax, because divine feminine energy is all about relaxing. It's all about receiving. So for you guys, it's rejuvenating, relaxation, healing, making a connection with spirit, because when we are on the go, we are not able to make that connection, right? So for that, we have to clear our mind, we have to sit still, right? And that's what you're doing in the month of December. So things are going to be slow, but I feel like you will feel very good. From inside, you will feel very good, okay? So it's like spirit is telling you to take a step back right now. If you're dealing with a problem, take a step back, get outside, or spend some quality time with yourself. It's like hermit mode I'm getting, where you have to spend some quality time with yourself. It's not loneliness. It's the time to connect with spirit, to know who you are, what your life purpose is. So whatever your question is, you are going to get the answers in the month of December, but you need to take a step back, okay? Yeah, freedom. You need to free yourself from the daily routines, the daily responsibilities. So now it's the time to be in a more playful energy, where you're like, travel is the best option for some of you if it's possible. Like, take a 10 days vacations where you don't have to do the same things, right? So get out of that daily routines and do something else. Like, just go to a place where there is a lot of nature, and that at that time you will feel free. So plan your trip. It's like spirit is telling, for the month of December, don't do, like, it's not the time to do that daily routines and all. It's not the time to work on the project. It's not the time to when we are not sleeping, right, because of our projects and all. So it's time to sleep. It's time to rejuvenate your body. It's time to eat healthy. It's time to be happy. It's time to get into this playful energy, and it's time to be free from that daily routines. That's what I'm getting here. So for you guys, it's like, plan a trip, go for a trip, enjoy it, connect with nature. Like, see the beauty of the nature. That's the thing. You need to see the beauty of the nature, and don't worry about your future life, because this thing, sometimes we feel like that when we are relaxing, oh my god, time will go away. No, this relaxation period will give you so much clarity and so much connection with spirit, then you will know what you need to do. So that's the thing here for you guys. See, again, look, all your cards are about that only: rest and rejuvenation, meditation, grounding your energy, not being, you're always stressing about certain things, daily routine, this have to be done, this should be done. So take a break from social media, take a break from that daily routines, and go somewhere and recharge where you can recharge. Okay, for some of you, it can be at least for 2 days. Right, so that's very important for you guys in the month of December. That's what spirit is telling you right now. Yeah, angel of love, because your angels are there for you guys, your spirit guides are there for you guys. They are waiting for your attention, but you are so busy that you are not listening to their guidance. So that's why they're telling you to step back, be in this divine feminine, where you are listening to the sounds of the nature, looking at the beauty of the nature, feeling loved by spirit, loving yourself, taking care of yourself, feeling that freedom that you don't have to be responsible for everything, like childish, like doing something childish, right? Just like that's what spirit wants you to do in the month of December, group number 3. Yeah. And sometimes we feel like that when we let go of things, we are not going to be in power. That is just our feeling. Yeah, the more we hold on to things, that is when we become powerless. The more we let go of, we have the power, right? And that's what is going to happen for you guys. Getting out in nature, letting go of things, surrendering to the divine, you're going to claim your power. This is such a beautiful energy. And you know what? You will manifest all the desires you haven't manifested for so long. Like by working hard, you might have not manifested those things that you will be manifesting by relaxing. That's what I'm getting, by letting go of things. So for some of you, it's like you're letting go of someone or something that was heavy upon you, and you will find your power from within. So letting go is power. That's what I'm getting here for you guys. Then the next card is like, yeah, definitely things are going to change for some of you. If it's possible to travel, if you can go to a place where there is nature, best. And you are completing a cycle, I feel like that, okay? Because we have 1 + 9, 10, and again we have 9. So definitely there is a completion. There is a change happening. For some of you, healing something. Maybe you are separated from someone, or maybe your job, you have, there is something related to a job. Maybe you lost a job and you're going to heal it. So yeah, you are healing. That's the thing. So whatever you lost, whatever you have lost, you will reap it back. You will get something better. Okay. So now what you need to do is to take a step back. I feel like this is like a guidance for you guys to take a step back, to link with spirit and find freedom in that. Okay. To enjoy life. And when you let go, when you surrender, you will feel that power. Okay. Surrender is your power. Surrender, I don't know, but like that's what I'm getting. Things are going to change. Things are not going to be the same for you guys every day, right? So sometimes we feel like that. If I relax, how, yeah. But this is the time for relaxation. This is the time where you need rest. Where you need to heal from all those past things. Okay. So yeah, look, you're very protected. You're very protected. You don't have to worry. Okay, you don't have to worry about your finances, or what if I don't work, where my finances will be. No, you don't have to worry. Everything will be taken care of. Spirit is just telling you to take a step back. Take a step back. Okay, recharge, rejuvenate. That's what you need to do. You know, when and it's winter also. Winter is all about retreating, finding your sanctuary. I'm getting like connecting with the divine. That's what you need to do. Okay. You are protected. Codes are being cut. Move beyond limitation. Trust. Yeah. The past. You're cutting the codes from the people who have hurt you in the past. And this is the time of healing, recharging, rejuvenating, building that immunity, right? And for some of you, if you have been dealing with some certain health issues, nature is the best medicine. Okay. That's what I'm getting here. Or if you're pregnant, Go out in nature. That will give you so much happiness, and it will recharge you. It will give you that energy, right? And everything is protected, everything is safe. The change, for some of you, you are afraid of the change, but this change is positive, right? In this change you will be protected. Okay, just surrender. Yeah, again we have 10 of swords energy, definitely 7 and 7 number, 2 sevens also you have. So yeah, with the 7 of pentacles, now it's the time to wait, right? It's time for patience. Let it grow. When you plant a seed, what you need to do is to nurture it every day. If you overwater it, what will happen? It's not going to grow, right? Even if you do, even if we do, like if you have a child, if you overfeed that child, what will happen? It will not be good, right? So don't. So that's the thing. So everything should be in moderation. So for you guys, you have been working on something. Now it's time to take a step back and to wait, to recharge. And while you're waiting, get out in nature, spend some quality time, take a break. That's it. Yeah, you're ending a chapter with this 10 of swords. You're ending that past, maybe for some of you have gone through a very tough relationship, you're healing that. Yeah, that's the thing. So now be patient with yourself, because you're going to move forward. You're going to move forward. Okay, so definitely there is progress for you guys. So right now wait, don't overwater anything, because that is not good right now. So be patient. Okay, spirit is with you. You are going to move forward. So for some of you, definitely travel. If it's possible, go travel. Okay, to a place where you feel home. Maybe it's your home that you need to travel to, or maybe a place that you haven't visited for a long period of time. Go there. Okay, yeah, now it's I feel like, with this 5 of air and warrior of fire, what I'm getting is like, you don't care about other people, what other people have to say to you. You were so afraid of those people. You were afraid of criticism. What I'm seeing, like in the December month, you will not be afraid of them. You will be like, I don't care, whatever you want to think, you can think. That kind of energy, because you are surrendering. You are going to be in your power, and that's what spirit is telling you to do. When you surrender, you will be in your power. You will not be powerless. Okay, you will claim that power. Okay, so surrender. Because when we are, what happens is, when we are afraid, that is when we overwork, right? So if we are planting a tree, if you're planting a seed, and you want that plant to grow, and you're worried, oh my god, what if this plant doesn't grow, and you're watering it like 5 to 6 times a day. So it's your worry. Because of your worry, you're watering it too much, right? It's not because it's not going to grow, because you're thinking it will not grow. So that is what you need to change. Okay, so love yourself, take care of yourself. This is the period of that. December is a month of letting go, relaxation, not thinking too much, waiting patiently, doing everything in moderation, taking care of your well-being, your health. Okay, group number 2, connecting with nature. Yeah, taking a break, that's the thing. Yes. Oh, for some of you, separation. Yeah, time apart from your partner is on the horizon. For some of you, it's like taking a break from your partner, going out, spending some quality time, getting clarity, and then coming back. So that is also necessary for you guys, because you are trying and nothing is happening. So it's important you take a step back, as I told you. So for you guys, for some of you that, and it is safe for you to love. Open your heart to give and receive the highest energy of all. So it's time to love yourself right now. You have been loving other people, you have been taking care of other people, you have been expecting a lot from other people. Instead of expecting from yourself, you have been expecting from others, and other people have been expecting from you. So right now what you need to do is to think about yourself, to take a break, a small break, a 5-day break, a 10-day break if it's possible. Go out alone, or if you have friends, good friends, go out with them. Go out in nature, explore, be adventurous, do the things that you wanted. Like maybe you wanted to do skydiving or something like that, do that, do something adventurous, and love yourself, right? So it's time to go, it's time to take care of yourself. Don't carry all your baggages with you right now. Don't carry anything. carry only the things that you want, okay, that you need, that yeah, they carry only the things that you need, not want, okay, only the necessity, what is necessary, only take that and take that break. That's what is necessary for you guys right now. It's time to love yourself, take care of yourself, build your immunity. That's what also I'm getting. You have been working. It's time to take care of yourself. That's what group number 3 is about. And I even feel like that, like they're telling, don't go, who will do that work? And you have to take your stand that I want some space, I cannot go like this, I want a break, and this break will be very, very good for you guys. So take that break, you deserve it. Yeah, again you have nature. Look, that's the thing. Right now you need to heal, and nature is going to heal you. That's the thing. You need to heal from all these traumas, past people. So nature, interact with nature in the outdoors, around animals, farmlands, or by the ocean. This will be good for your soul and healing for you. This is all like coming, like it all just said, right? This card said that. That's the thing for you guys. Yeah, my life works beautifully. Your life is going to work beautifully. You're thinking too much. You're like, if I take a day break, what that happened? What if that project doesn't go my way? How my children's will be? Like lot of things. So right now for group number 3, you need to take some days off. That is the thing, and everything is going to be okay. When you will take that time off, you will feel you will know what you need to do. You will recharge, and this will be so good for you guys. Okay, so my life works beautifully. Everything in my life works now and forevermore. This is your affirmation, group number 3. So that's it for group number 3. Take care, guys. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.